Hello friends and welcome to CS Passionate. From this video, we are going to start with PHP programming tutorial series for beginners. I divide this series into two different parts. First part is for core PHP programming and second part is for object-oriented programming with PHP. So let's start our journey towards PHP programming. First of all, we start with the brief introduction of PHP. PHP is developed by Rasmus Lerdorf. They developed this scripting for their personal purpose. Thus, the original name of PHP is Personal Homepage, but it is also known as Hypertext Preprocessor, or sometimes it is also pronounced as Pre-Hypertext Processor. PHP is a server-side scripting language, so we need a web server to execute a PHP script. PHP is platform independent and open source, and the PHP script executes on any server. It runs on IIS or Apache, etc. But here we work on a software package called XAMPP throughout the series, in which we use Apache Web Server and MySQL RDBMS package. There are some other packages are also available, such as MAMP, WAMP, LAMP, etc. For different operating system or platform, we can use other software packages as well. As I have already said, we use XAMPP, so we can download XAMPP from Apache Friends website. That's it for today. In next video, we'll learn how to work with PHP and how to execute PHP script. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.